Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is x power 5 plus x power 4 plus x power 3 plus x power 2 plus x is equal to -1. To find the values of x from this equation. Now, in the first step, we'll take this -1 to the left side. So, it will be this, which is x power 5 plus x power 4 plus x power 3 plus x power 2 plus x. This -1 will take to this side, it will be plus 1 is equal to 0. Then in the next step, from here x power 5 plus x power 4 is common. So we'll take x power 4 out of bracket. Then x power 5 divided by x power 4, it is x, plus x power 4 divided by x power 4 is 1 bracket, then plus. From here x power 3 plus x power 2, x power 2 is common. So we'll take x power 2 out of bracket. X power 3 divided by x power 2, it is x, plus x power 2 divided by x power 2 is 1 bracket, then plus this x plus 1. So here x plus 1 bracket, we place this in bracket, then is equal to 0. Now from here x plus 1 is common here inside the bracket. So we'll take x plus 1 bracket out of bracket. Then this divided by x plus 1, it is this x power 4. Then plus this divided by x plus 1, it is this x square. Then plus this divided by this, it is 1 bracket is equal to this 0. Then in the next step, it will be x plus 1 bracket, then bracket. Here it will be x power of 4 plus x square plus this 1. Then into here we'll add x square and then minus x square, bracket is equal to 0. Then in the next step, it will be x plus 1 bracket, then bracket. Into here, this x power 4 is same as x square bracket square. Then plus here x square plus x square is 2x square. Then plus this 1, then this minus x square bracket is equal to this 0. Then in the next step, it will be x plus 1 bracket, then bracket. Into this part here, this x square bracket square plus 2x square plus 1, this is same as x square plus 1 bracket square, then minus this x square, bracket is equal to this 0. Then in the next step, it will be x plus 1 bracket. Then from this part here to be bracket, from this part here, this is in the form of a perfect square. Here we have x square plus 1 bracket square minus x square. So into here we'll apply a perfect square rule, which is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b bracket. So when you compare here a square, then a, it will be this inside the bracket x square plus 1, and here b square, here b, it will be x. Then we'll apply this form here. So a plus b, it will be this inside the bracket x square plus 1, then plus this x bracket, then times a minus b, it will be bracket this here x square plus 1, then minus this x bracket, then is equal to this 0. Then from here we have 3 solutions, whereas this is the first solution, which is x plus 1 is equal to this 0, and this second solution, which is x square plus x plus 1. So x square plus x plus 1 is equal to this 0. and this third solution, x squared minus x plus 1. So here x squared minus x plus 1 is equal to this 0. Now to solve from this first solution here, we'll take negative 1 to this side, so it will be x is equal to negative 1. So this is the first value of x, which is the real solution. Now to solve for this from this quadratic equation, we'll use quadratic formula. Now from quadratic formula, to find the values of x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then it will be x is equal to negative b it is 1, then plus or minus square root of b square, it will be 1 square, then minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 1, then over 2 times a is 1. Then it will be x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square, it is 1. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Then over this times this is 2. Then it will be x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 is negative 3 over this 2. Then it will be x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus square root of 3 times square root of, from this negative, square root of negative 1, which is I. So here it will be times I. Then over this 2. So this also in here we have two solutions which are complex solutions because of plus or minus. Then let's solve from the third solution. Now from this third solution here, quadratic equation, we'll use quadratic formula, which is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then it will be x is equal to negative b, it is negative 1 here, so it will be bracket negative 1 plus or minus square root of b square, it will be negative 1 bracket square, then minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 1, then over 2 times a 1. Then it will be x is equal to negative 1, it will be positive 1 plus or minus square root of negative 1 square is positive 1, negative 4 times 1, it is negative 4, then over this and this is 2. Then it will be x is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 is negative 3 over this 2. Then it will be x is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of negative 3 is same as square root of 3 times square root of negative 1, which is I, then over this 2. So also in here we have two solutions which are complex solutions. Therefore, the conclusion from our problem, the first value of x is equal to this negative 1, which is the real solution. The second value of x is equal to, from here, when it is positive, it will be 1 plus square root of 3i over 2. So it will be 1 plus square root of 3i over 2. The third value of x is equal to, in here, when it is this negative, to be 1 minus square root of 3i over 2. So 1 minus square root of 3i over 2. Now the fourth value of x is equal to, into here, when it is positive, it will be negative 1 plus square root of 3i over 2. So negative 1 plus square root of 3i over 2. The fifth value of x is equal to, in here when it is negative, to be negative 1 minus square root of 3i over 2. So here negative 1 minus square root of 3i over 2. So these are all the values of x in this our problem. whereas we have one real solution, which is -1, and 4 complex solutions. Now let's check for this real solution of -1 if it will satisfy our equation. Now to check for x is -1, so we substitute -1 into here, so it will be -1, then bracket power of 5 plus -1 bracket this power of 4 plus -1 bracket this power of 3 plus -1 bracket power of 2 plus this x is -1. Is it equal to this -1? Now into here, -1 power of odd number, which is 5. -1 power of odd number is still -1. Then plus -1 power of even number is +1. Then plus -1 power of odd number is -1. Then plus -1 power of even number is +1. Then plus this -1. Is it equal to -1? Now into here, -1 plus 1 is 0. -1 plus 1 is 0. Now here we're left with this -1, which is equal to -1. So -1 is equal to -1. Left side and right side are equal. Then it is true for the value of x is -1 and also the other complex solutions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.